Video script, object detection with region-based CNNs, RCNN family. Object detection with region-based CNNs, RCNN, fast RCNN, faster RCNN. Script begins. Hello everyone. Today we'll understand how region-based convolutional neural networks revolutionized object detection. Object detection means not only identifying what the object is, but also where it is, using bounding boxes. 1 RCNN, Region CNN. 2014 RCNN works in 3 main steps. Generate region proposals using selective search, stow 2000 regions per image. Run a CNN separately on each region. Classify each region using an SVM. Problem: it was extremely slow because the CNN ran thousands of times per image. So researchers improved it. 2 Fast RCNN, 2015. Fast RCNN improved efficiency. Instead of running CNN on each region separately, the whole image passes through CNN once. Region of interest, RoI. Pooling extracts features for each proposal. A single network performs classification plus bounding box regression. Advantage: much faster and more accurate than RCNN, but region proposals were still slow. Faster RCNN, 2016. Faster RCNN introduced a major breakthrough, Region Proposal Network, RPN. Now, CNN features are shared. RPN generates region proposals directly. Detection becomes almost end-to-end. This made object detection significantly faster and practical for real-world applications. Comparison summary. RCNN, accurate but very slow. Fast RCNN, faster with shared convolution. Faster RCNN, real-time capable with RPN. Modern relevance, latest perspective. Even in 2026, faster RCNN remains a strong benchmark model. Widely used in medical imaging, used in satellite image analysis, applied in precision surveillance systems. Although newer models like single-stage detectors exist, faster RCNN remains highly accurate for research applications. Region-based CNNs laid the foundation for modern object detection systems. Understanding them helps us understand how deep learning evolved toward efficient, real-time detection. Thank you.